This is Nathan Reynolds with Stanley United. I just want to go over what a user can do from a non-logged in perspective. You're not logged in. What you can do is you can go look at businesses within the Stanley United platform, and on here you can search. Just look for the Stanley United account. Here it is. You can click on that account, but before I click on it, I want to show you one more thing. You can filter by area. Actually, let me take a step back and we'll come back to visiting that account. Let's look at the drop down for areas right quick. If you click on Jonesborough, we have no accounts in Jonesborough. This is just getting started. However, I just wanted to kind of give you a glimpse of what the UX looks like, user experience. It does change to that area for an aerial drone photo. So if you were to change it to, and there are some that are missing, they do have defaults for now. These two, I do not have drone photos as of yet. However, that is coming. As well as Broadway. Broadway, we do not have an aerial photo yet, but that is coming soon. South Horner, we do have one. So let's filter through here. Okay. So let's go look at Stanley United. This account. This is a business account that we're looking at. Description is we're a cloud-based platform for the Stanley community to connect and keep up with surrounding businesses and non-profit organizations. As from here, as long as a business account has their Facebook page set, their website set, they'll be able to see that. I don't have my phone set, my phone number for my Stanley United business, so you do not see a phone number to call. I have a location set. I have updates for the user to be able to come and see. Let's go look at one other business just to kind of nail this down. Reynolds Construction. They only have one day update as of right now. And then let's go over to non-profits. So as of right now, we have no non-profits. This is non-profits and not-for-profits organizations. You'll be able to filter the same way by area. You'll be able to search organizations here, and then to see more based on if there were more than 10, or I think it's 10 as of right now. You would need to be able to click more. From there, you'd be able to click on it and go view that organization and their updates. As of right now, we do not have an update section for nonprofits. We only have updates section for the businesses unless you go to that nonprofit account. That will be coming soon as well. From here, you'll be able to go to updates. So these are business updates. I personally have 2 for my business. Reynolds Construction has 1. If you click on an update, it would go directly to that business profile, as we just showed a moment ago. Now, a logged in user will be able to subscribe and like. That will be, I will go over that in a separate video. But that is the benefit of being a subscribed user. You'll be able to follow, get email notifications, and a few other things that I'll go over later. You'll be able to contact the Stanley United. Fill out these. These are required, and either or of these that you supply, that you'd rather supply, you'll be able to send me a direct message. And then you have your about, which includes our mission and vision. I recommend going through here and looking through this. It gives you a good idea and perspective of what we're setting out to do and our goal and mission. So let's go back to the about. I have a write-up on Sanford, North Carolina. I recommend checking that out if you're not familiar with it. It's worth the read. Broadway also has an about. It's very short for now. Broadway is a very small town, but worth checking out. And I think that's it, other than the account drop down, which is where you would need to come and log in and register. I recommend registering a user account. It would help you keep up with businesses based on the fact that you subscribe to them and get notifications, and you're able to do quite a bit with that. So we'll go over that in a different video. I'm trying not to go over that in this video. And I appreciate you guys watching the video.